There is a recent leak of the Galaxy Z4 aspect ratios. The cover display is set to move from 24.5:9 to 23:9. The bezels have been slimmed down on the phone slightly. There's an image that is leaked by Ice Universe which is comparing the Vivo X Fold, the Z Fold4 and the Z3 Fold, where the Vivo X Fold is on the top and Z3 Fold is on the bottom. As you can see, both the vertical and horizontal bezels are slimmer than the outgoing Z Fold, and the hinge is said to be more different and more compact. So with the new aspect ratio, the Z Fold is said to be little more stouter. That means apps are a little more horizontal room on the cover display, making reaching the upper part of the display a bit easier. The inner display is now closer to a square. The ratio has been changed from 6.25:5 to 6.5. Samsung will be launching more official teasers, so we are expecting to get more information. So like, share and subscribe for more such videos.